Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and this is an update on the chair that I'm doing. There's the cushion, it's all finished. Material has been pulled tight and stapled. And this is what the back looks like. These marks are for placements to attach the chair, and those are little screw holes that I've started, what they call pilot holes. Because what I'm going to do is put this on. See these screws? Hopefully those holes will match up with each of these screws. I've got the drilled all the way through these pieces of wood and marked them, and then I marked on here where they went. Hopefully they'll match up. So I'm going to try to do that right now off camera, and then if I get it put together and it works out right, I'll turn it over and show you. And by the way, you can see here I painted it pink. I didn't paint underneath it because that's the bottom, but I did paint it pink. So let me put it together, hopefully, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, there it is. It's finished. There is the chair with a cushion attached. And I have been sewing in here. That's why there's scraps in the floor. I've been quilt piecing, doing my quilt piecing. But yeah, I got it all together. And once again, not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Now, the staples really helped to get that cushion on there and get it tight like what it is. But I tell you what, it took a little work. Only 4 screws to put it together. But the screws were 2.5 inches long. And the reason for that is I had to go through this wood right here and then up into this little tiny piece of wood on here. There's about an inch or 1/2 inch of wood here, and then I had to go through that. 2.5 inches is what I measured. But it's in there. I think it's good. It sets good. I've already set it, and it's very comfortable. And I like the way it looks. Pink and green. I might go back later and get some green and paint this green and maybe paint some green on this, just to kind of match it up a little bit. But for right now, that's how it's going to be. And I think I might just push it underneath that table and keep it in here, because what I've been doing, that's my sewing chair. And when I turn around to do something, like if I'm sewing, I have to turn that chair around to this table. So if I take this chair and put it right like that, I don't have to do that. I'll just get up out of that chair, turn this one right back around, get through sewing, get up, go over here and sit. But there's my chair. Totally free, except for the staples and the screws. That's all I paid for. The fabric that I used was the fat quarters that I got at the Dollar Tree in Sikeston. And I already had the staple gun. I just had to buy the staples. So I bought 4 screws and a package of staples. And I got me a free chair. So that's it for this video. Thanks for coming to watch this. Remember, your life is very short. Make it the absolutely best you can. And also remember, anytime you're looking at doing something and you think it's going to be easy, it's probably not. That's what I've learned. Everything's not as easy as it seems. That's kind of like the old philosophy where you're working a job and you see somebody else doing a job and you think, they got an easy job. I wish I had their job. And then you get a chance to do their job and you find out their job is not as easy as they make it look. People make things look a lot easier. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.